5 steps to using visualization to get what you want. The question is, what do you really want out of life? Or more importantly, how do you intend to go about getting it? We all have so many wants and goals and dreams. Some are super simple, like I want to lose 5 pounds. Other goals, like changing a career or moving or just transitioning, going through a transition in life, are more complex. But what's interesting is that you can use this very same technique to get precisely what you want, whether your goal is a big one or a small one. Visualization is the technique of picturing a goal in your mind in detail so that you can manifest this change in your life. Sound oversimplified? By following these 5 steps, you may just get exactly what you want, and perhaps in no time at all. You might be surprised. So for one, engage fully in your vision. You absolutely must put yourself into the visualization as fully as you possibly can. Use all of your senses and emotions to experience this vision in a way that is really real to you. What does it feel like? What does it physically feel like? What do you hear at the end of this vision? Who else is there? What does it smell like? What are you smelling in this vision? Really put all of your senses to work here and feel it emotionally. That's super important. Okay, so the next thing is experience it from different viewpoints. So what does this visualization feel like to you? And experience it first as yourself, like we talked about, so that you can connect your emotions to your actions. Key thing is actions. You want to feel every single part of it. Then step back and experience it again as if you're watching yourself succeed from outside yourself, like you're watching a movie. And why this helps is you may see details that you might otherwise miss when you're looking at it from the outside in. Then live the success. When you're done with this visualization, it's time to live the part. Become the person that you need to be. Become the person that you saw at the end of your vision. How does this person move? How do they think and act? How do they hold their head? What's their posture like? Do they stand with some attitude? Think, act, and become the person that you need to become, the person that is at the end of your vision, the person that has already achieved the thing you want to achieve. Next is reinforce the message. Visualization needs backup to be successful. The world is full of negative influence, some of them finding root in your very own mind. Keep your self-talk positive. Use affirmations and look for ways to constantly reinforce the vision in your mind without tearing it down. The negative self-talk often takes over, but you can minimize that by noticing it, naming it, that's just my judge, that's just my perfectionist, and then override it by choosing a new reaction. Sometimes you gotta step outside the comfort zone and bust through the fear, even though it's still there. Make the vision tangible in a way that you can see it, like creating a dream board or a collage. Those things will set your visualization in a place where you are constantly reminded of that experience in your visualization. You see it over and over daily, at least, I would recommend. And it also reinforces your goals and it strengthens your resolve. If you review those goals and dreams on a daily basis, you'll create a kind of cognitive dissonance so that the actions that you take every day, in whatever way that they don't align with that end vision, your mind will naturally and automatically make those come into alignment. And then you will slowly but surely begin to start taking steps and actions every day that align your daily action steps so that you will eventually achieve that goal that is at the end of your vision. So reviewing it every day is super important. By following these steps, you'll find your dream becoming more and more solid. You'll become more and more clear about all the details of your dream. And of course, you're going to have to put in the work to achieve what you want. It's not just think about it and it'll happen. But by using this visualization and aligning your actions, your emotions to your actions and to the daily tasks that will make that goal come true, your vision will become a reality and you'll get clearer and clearer on how to make that happen on a daily basis. I hope this was helpful. If it was, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so that on Tuesdays when I upload a new video, you will get a notification. And if there's something else, another topic that you would like to see content on, please leave a note for me in the comments. I do read the comments and I will respond to all of them. So again, I hope that was helpful. When you have a good support system in place, we can flourish and reach our potential in whatever area that we are each striving toward. So we can do that together. Let's be a rising tide that lifts all boats. I hope that was helpful, and I'll talk to you soon.